Nice. Hey, how you doing?
I'm chilling, man. About to jump on the plane.
What's your name?
Teddy.
Teddy, nice to meet you. So what are you doing here today?
Just chilling with my boy Harry. About to do a little plane jumping.
Awesome. You're not scared about it?
Yeah, man. Not at all.
Awesome.
No
Whose
worries.
idea was this? Was it yours or
It's a
someone else?
collaboration.
Oh, okay.
I think I was kind of behind it, but
Yeah.
we'll see if he can make it out.
All right. Anything you want to say? People watching this video later.
No, man. I already apologize for the language that I'm probably about to use.
All right. Okay, you ready for this?
Yeah, man.
All right. Have fun, and I'll see you later. Okay? Have fun.
See you out there.
One step at a time, don't be living on the line. I don't need a friend, I got morbid on the mind. Sunshine in my brain, making everyone complain. Radio in the heart, don't be being so strange. Think I'm losing it, baby, where have you been? Everybody says that you're moving again. I don't wanna be right, baby, every single night. I can tell you one thing about taking your time. It's making me nervous, yeah. One step at a time, don't be living on the line. I don't need a friend, I got morbid on the mind. Sunshine in my brain, making everyone complain. Radio in my heart, don't be being so strange. Think I'm losing it, baby, where have you been? Everybody says.
Half my words are broken, better left unspoken. So far from heaven, so far from heaven. My soul is filled with wonder. It's just my tongue that blunders. So far from heaven, so far from heaven. And I'm gonna
Good job. So, how was
It
it?
was sick, man. Sick.
So, how was it?
Epic, man.
You like it?
Yeah, for sure. We doing that again.
Do you
Harry!
think you're gonna do this again next time?
Yeah, for sure.
Awesome. Thanks for coming on today.
Yeah, man.
You did an awesome job. I'll see you next time, okay? Woohoo!